What are we doing today?
He's going to fall down. Today we're doing a Japanese BMW. It's made by Toyota. We're going to put this thing on the ground, bag it on the Airlift suspension, flow air tank by air compressors. So getting ready to see no gap. I'm excited. Everything looks better on the ground. So, as always, at SPEEDhaus we use Airlift performance. Everything, if at all possible. That should be harness to the 3H, I believe. Yep. Compressors, engine, flow tank. Cool. All the goodies from Airlift. How's it going? This is Justin. He is joining us over here at SPEEDhaus. He will be a new permanent team member in addition. Specialty is all air ride related stuff. Now is perfect timing as he comes walking through the door here.
We've got a Camry.
Yes! 2022 Camry. Make it do lower to the earth things.
Yeah, because it's really high.
Basic setup, but still pretty.
Yeah, but nothing's going to be basic around here anymore. Ever basic.
That's why it has these things. I don't use basic things.
No, you
They're
can't
not allowed.
See some 485s here? Ooh, 3H, the guy's going to get the works. What a lucky gentleman.
All right, what are we doing first?
First, we're going to tear down the interior, start running the wiring harness in this, and testing for power, make sure everything is working and functional. And then we'll lift the car up off the ground and start tearing the shocks out and putting these beautiful Airlift shocks in and take our measurements to run our sensors. After that, we'll proceed to do a full, nice little trunk setup.
Alright, so we're back. This is the next day. Justin was up here and worked on it last night. He's out sick today, so I'm going to take over and start working on the car. I know we got the management in and all of that powered up, and he's got the front kit on. So the front struts are in, everything's tight, and the leader line is just sitting here ready. Took the interior apart, pre-ran all the cables. We're going to end up mounting this management over in this corner, so we left some slack there for the harness and stuff like that. The remote is already in it, it's already wired, it's got power supply, it's tied into the fuse tap, and she's ready. Next thing is I will start on the rear suspension, and then we'll jump over to height sensors, and then we'll come back to beauty stuff on the trunk and getting all of that set up. New Airlift shock. Now at this point I'm just going to like loosely place it because we have to pull it back out to route the airlines. Alright, so we are wrapping up the last stages of the TRD. Got Justin behind me running power wires and getting ready to solder, and then we are going, that's going to power up the compressors, and then we're going to mount the height sensors on all four corners, calibrate this thing, and we'll be done. Tank suspended off roof, compressors and management on factory panel, and then that way we can just kind of tuck it all in place. Our customer's only request was being able to access his spare tire, so we're going to implement that.
We did that.
So everything is still open, he can get to that, not a problem at all. We are done. This is a 2022 Toyota Camry TRD package. We just bagged it on Airlift performance struts and Airlift 3H management. So it has the height sensors. This is ride height on the struts. There's a sensor on this wall that perfectly calibrates everything and gives you a lot better control versus just your pressures. In the trunk, our customer just wanted like really simple setup. This is his daily. He works out of the car. So as always, we have a flow tank. This is their 28-inch version, so it's a little bit bigger tank than what we normally use, paired with a set of Viair 485s and Airlift management, featuring our SPEEDhaus hex plate to let us mark everything we do. But his only request was be able to have access to a spare tire. So we've given him full use of the trunk. He can do anything and everything he needs to with the car. Now for the beauty part, we'll air this thing out. Alright guys, this is Matt at SPEEDhaus. I want to thank you all for tuning in to our channel. You've now seen the 2022 Camry. We've given you a walk around, we've showed you up and down of the bags, and it is time for us to hand over the keys to our customer. So as always, if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, please share. Thank you.